So I thought, guys, we are going to have an unboxing video or unbagging video, shall we say this way, because I have this bag full of yarns. I got this as a present. So anyway, let's see what's inside. Ooh, that's a lot of yarn right there. That's beautiful. I never had this kind of yarn before. It's my very first time to have this yarn. It's really, really beautiful. So what is this? This is like 7.8 millimeter or 8 millimeter hook. Snowstorm. It's really, really beautiful. Snowstorm. This is 100% wool. So I got a few of this. Snowstorm. We have here another snowstorm. I really like it. Okay, this is also like a 8 millimeter hook, the same size as this one. So I have like 1, 2, 3, 4 here, 5. Here another one, snow. 5, 6. 2 of 2. So I get 6 of this kind, like a snowstorm. I get 8 of this. It's a 100% wool. It's really, really nice. I really, really like it. It's good. Winter is coming soon, so I really need this. This one, this from Rainbow. You will need 3 to 4 millimeter hook for this one. Oh, what is this? This is a big one. What is this? Bungji 42 cotton and 58% polyester. We will need 10 to 12 millimeter hook. This is 200 gram. I would love to make something out of it. This looks like a t-shirt yarn. What do you think? Didn't say anything. It's a t-shirt yarn, but yeah. This is the very first time I got this kind of yarn. It's really cool. Squishy. Cool. Oh, this one. I got this one also. I still have one of this here. So this one, 50 gram and 4 to 5 millimeter hook. 100% polyacrylic from Tivoli. I get so much of this. So we have here 1, 2, this is the same. 3, this is different kind, but also the same, 100% acrylic. Also the same from Tivoli. Tivoli, this is like 100% acrylic. I have so much of this here. So let's set that aside. Also this one, Tivoli, get one of this. All the acrylic here is from Tivoli, I would say. We get the pattern here. 4 millimeter hook. 100% polyacrylic also. Oh, I still have one of this. Remember, we have this from Snowstorm. 8 millimeter hook, 100% wool. I really like this one. So this one is this 100% organic. Cool. I did not know there is an organic yarn. This is the very first time I got this kind of yarn. 100% cotton. 2 to 5.3 millimeter hook for this one. This is from Mayflower. 100% cotton. Let's see if we have some of this here. Okay, later we will find it. Put this aside. Oh, I got 2. I got 2 of this organic yarn, which is 100% cotton. 100% organic. This is 50 gram and 170 meter. I really, really like this color. One of my favorite. So this one here we have rainbow color. Cool. I love this color also. This is also perfect for a hat or something, flower, anything you wish. You can make anything you wish out of yarn. 2.5 to 3.5 millimeter hook and 100% cotton. Oh, this one. This is really, really nice. Oh, the same one from this special yarn. They have a lot of special yarns from this company here. Mayflower. Fake fur. I really say fake fur from Mayflower. This is 2.5 to 3.5 millimeter hook. That's nice. They have nice yarns. Another rainbow. Also 2.5 to 3.5 millimeter hook. Rainbow again. 100% cotton. The same type of yarn. 2.5, 3.5 millimeter hook and 50 gram. So I got few of this rainbow and rainbow again, another one. So much rainbow, all 50 gram and all the same hook. Oh, Mayflower. I like this kind of color. I love this color. It's perfect for the baby, guys. This is again Mayflower and 50 gram I get few of this. This is from Mayflower also. Rainbow. Oh, I love this color also. This is Mayflower. Oh wow, I got so much from Mayflower also. Rico Bomo. This is new one. Oh, it's 100% recycled cotton, guys. I like recycled stuff. I always like to use recycled stuff, guys. This is like 4mm hook. You can use 4mm hook. It's bigger than this one. This is 50 gram. That is 75 meter. Oh, another one. This is from Tivoli, 100% acrylic. This is rainbow. You can see the rainbow. Where is the rainbow? Here. This is 100% organic. I love the color. One of my favorite color, maroon, from Cotton Kings. It's really beautiful color. You see this? It's really, really beautiful, guys. 50 gram. Equal to 75 meter. We have here 3.5mm hook. This is a new brand, Cotton Kings. 50 gram, 82 yards, 100% cotton, and Cotton Kings. I really like when they have this one. Easy start, that's good. Thank you for that. Here another one, Cotton Kings. This is a soft print and 3.5mm hook, 50 gram. 100% cotton. I love cotton yarns. It's another one from Cotton King. Oh, we got few of this here. It's from Rainbow. I got few of this here. Oh, this one I know. This is Go Handmade and Culture. A sophisticated, elegant yarn. Super soft with a scrumptious wool feel. Perfect for a touch of glamour in your knitting project. Also for crochet, not only knitting. This is 100% acrylic, 50 gram or 50 meter. Needle will be 4 to 5mm hook. So this is designed in Denmark. I found some yarns that are made in India also here. And made in India, they made it in India, but they designed it in Denmark. So Hobby is from Denmark. Oh, easy start. I love this easy start. Just grab it. It's really, really easy. I really, really love it. We got here a few Cotton Kings. Oh, I get this Mayflower. Nice color. I get few of this Mayflower. Oh, the rainbow color. I love this rainbow color. Oh, they also have this easy start. This is like 3.5mm hook. 100% polyacrylic from Tivoli. This is, I love this color. I like dark color. It's one of my favorite earth color. It's 100% organic. This is 100% organic. We're going to put this here. This one, I get so much from Rainbow. We get so much from Rainbow here. 100% organic. I think this is different, or I'm not sure. Ah, this is the same because there is, I thought it's different, guys, because it look just different cartoon because it says organic, but they have the same brand here. So it's same manufacturer or the same company for this yarn. So mostly you're going to use 2 to 5mm hook for these yarns here. So another one from Mayflower, Rainbow, Mayflower. Love this color. Oh, from Rainbow. I love rainbows. Who doesn't love rainbow? Cotton Kings, our favorite easy start. Nice. Oh, this is, I only got few of this. Rico Bomo, 4mm hook. Sometimes I don't follow what's suggested here. I think 6mm hook can fit with this one, and then you try. So you just have to try and try all the time. So this one is Easy Start from King Cottons. Cool. Thank you, King Cottons, for this easy start. Sometimes I have struggled. This lovely color, guys. Oh, I got so much of this. I got few of this. Rainbow. I'm sorting this out together so I know which is which. Rainbow. Organic. I love dark colors. It's really super cute. What is this? Cotton Kings. Here, I put it here on the other side. I still have so much. This is The same 100% organic. Rainbow, rainbow, yellow. Oh, I like that kind of yellow. Mustard. Who doesn't like mustard? I love this mustard color. I have so much from this rainbow color here. Cotton Kings. Love this color. It's super, super nice. Oh, I got two of these. Rainbow. Here. Rainbow. Oh, I love this color. I like this kind of dirty white. Is this dirty white for you guys? I think for me it's dirty white. I like this kind of color as well. This is like 100% cotton, and likewise this kind of yarn is 2.5 to 3.5 millimeter hook, and this is designed in Denmark, made in India. Cool. So 100% cotton. Rainbow. We have so much rainbow, and what is this? Mayflower. Another rainbow, another rainbow, Mayflower. I have so much. What's this? Cotton King. Nice color. My favorite color. I thought it matched to my top. Actually not. So this is Cotton King here. This one is rainbow, Cotton King. Cool. Put it here. I have no more space. Rainbow. This one, rainbow. So much rainbow, guys. I love to have all these different colors of yarns. This one is 100% organic from Mayflower. And this is 50 gram. Mostly 50 gram. We have here Cotton King. So this one is Cotton King. Cotton King. I have so much from Cotton King. This is Mayflower. Oh, I have this. I still have one of this here, which is really cool. This is like for baby yarn actually. I bought this for baby yarn. 100% printed cotton from Rainbow. Oh, nice color. This is Rico Bumula. 100% recycled cotton. 50 grams, 75 meter. I don't have so much of this. This one is rainbow. Nice color. Oh wow, another one. Beautiful one. I love this one. This is a sister of this yarn here. The Snow Storm. But I lost the... Maybe it's here. I'm sure it's somewhere here. Oh, I have another organic. Nice. And that's it for our unboxing video. This is the one with the earth color. I love these kinds of stuff here. Mayflower. It's so cool. Organic. They have organic stuff. This is the one with the sunny sun or something. This is our acrylic. This is our cotton. No, this is our king. This is our Cotton Kings in this area here. That's it for my video, guys. Thank you and bye. So that's it for my video, guys. Thank you. Bye. So that's it for our unboxing, guys. Thank you. Bye.